Fine. So I'll start with the assertion reasoning. Assertion and reasoning is the name of the topic. It's not a very common topic, but an important part of your verbal reasoning. You never know ये कब आ जाए, ठीक है? And I don't want you to be surprised on that day कि ये क्या आ गया, ठीक है? So we're doing this topic today. Fine. And trust me, this is the only topic in verbal reasoning which is based on GK. Yep. Basically, you have to understand and know general knowledge to solve this question. Yeah. So be with me for the next few minutes. I'll walk you through what is happening in this topic. So again, this topic will be in three parts. Part 1, I'm introducing to the topic. इसमें आता क्या है? Part 2 will do a few type of questions. Part 3 will go to advanced level. Fine. So there will be a assertion and a reasoning. Two statement आएगा. You have to tell whether A and both are true and are the true and correct explanation of A. Both are true, not a correct explanation. Both are A is true, B is false. A is false, B is true, या both are false. ठीक है? So assertion is something which is a fact, and reasoning is something which is a reasoning for that particular assertion. So आज के बाद तुमको सिर्फ ये चीज़ बताना है कि वो assertion true है कि नहीं है. Fine. So we will do it step by step. Alright. There are 3-step method to solve this question. So I'll introduce you to all the 3 steps one by one. अभी के लिए सिर्फ ये समझो कि there are some assertions and there will be some reasoning for that. So let's start with one easy example. There is no vaccine for AIDS. Reason: the AIDS virus changes the DNA code. तो ये true है, ये true है, दोनों में link है कि नहीं है? This is what we have done. We not solve this question. Don't solve this question now. But समझोगे. This is a type of code. There will be 5 questions in your exams which look like this. And this is the only topic which needs your GK as well. You need to understand ki what is AIDS, what is DNA, what is vaccine, what is DNA code. All these things you have to know. Fine. Because assertion का मतलब facts. ठीक है? So all the facts have to be clear. ठीक है? So what is assertion? Assertion is a confident and forceful statement of fact or belief. Assertion is nothing but a fact. ठीक है? Assertion like homework is a waste of time. So that's my assertion. That's my fact for me. Fine. That might not be the universal true, but that's fact for me. Television news is boring. Tomato soup is better than real sandwich. So these are my assertions. These are my points. Fine. Then comes your reasoning part, second two of that. And how to link is you have to answer the word because. So whenever you see a statement, read the statement. Is this because of your statement number 2? Yes. तो आंसर आएगा. No. आंसर नहीं आएगा. Are you going to link them? Link both of them. Fine. For example, if I try to link these two statements, homework is a waste of time. Reasoning is it takes time away from the other activities which are more important. So then can I say yes, homework is a waste of time for me? So because is your connector between your assertion and your reasoning. ठीक है? Television news is boring because it does not talk about the issues relevant to me. ठीक है? So this statement are linked or not will be found out from the word because. That's the most important keywords to be used today. Because. Again, example: tomato grilled is better than sandwich because it's more nutritious. Yes. That's why you can link the two statements. Fine. The most confusing part of this topic is the options. तो इसके लिए what I've done, I made this table. A मतलब assertion is true and reasoning is also true. B मतलब assertion is true, reasoning also true, but that's not the logical reasoning for that. Both of them are true, but this reason is not for this. This is true, this is false, this is false, this is true, both of them are false. Fine. So it's like tick tick, cross tick, tick cross, cross cross. But within tick tick there are two statements, linked or not linked. Okay. So these were the 5 statements. Okay. So now we'll go back to the first question. There is no vaccine for AIDS. That's my assertion. आज तक AIDS के लिए कोई medicine नहीं बना है. ठीक है. Number उसका because AIDS virus changes the genetic DNA. एक बार तुम्हारा DNA कोड ही corrupt हो गया, तो there is no way you can live. No way to overcome that. Answer is A. that both of them are true and R is the correct explanation for A. Perfect. Right. ठीक है. If we look at the options again एक बार, first option says both A and R are true but R is the correct explanation of A. तो मतलब A जो रीजनिंग ट्रू है और R उसका करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन है. नंबर 2 says yes both of them are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Number 3, A is true but R is false. A is false, R is true, both of them are false. ठीक है. For example, if I give you a statement, my assertion is that Earth rotates around the sun. Earth revolves on the sun. Sorry, the rotate is on axis. Earth revolves on the sun. Is it a fact? Yes. उसका आपको रीजनिंग क्या मैंने दिया? It's because of the gravitational pull of moon. तो रॉन्ग हो गया. तो A is true, but this is wrong. ठीक है. So option will be C. चलेगा. The only thing you have to play along is the option का thing. So what I do is a 3-step approach. Step number 1, तुम कुछ मत देखो, you just see the assertion कि वो true है कि नहीं है. Step number 1, assertion. Assertion says no vaccine, there is no vaccine for AIDS. ये true है कि false है? As of today, it's true. There is no vaccination for AIDS. Then I'll go to step number 2. Reasoning check करो कि reasoning true है कि नहीं है. AIDS changes the genetic code. तो yes, ये भी true है. अगर नहीं पता, दैट इज योर प्रॉब्लम ऑफ जीके प्रॉब्लम, दैट्स नॉट क्वेश्चन का प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है. थर्ड पार्ट, यू टू टेल वेदर दे आर लिंक्ड और नॉट. सो देन आई कंबाइन एड्स, देयर इज नो वैक्सीन फॉर एड. व्हाई? बिकॉज एड्स चेंजेस द जेनेटिक कोड. आर दे लिंक्ड? यस. सो बिकॉज दे आर लिंक्ड, ऑप्शन विल बिकम ए. ठीक है. तो स्टेप 1, step 2, step 3. Fine. Suppose I am getting step 1 में come to know कि A is true but R is wrong. तो suddenly your answer becomes C, D, E. तो क्वेश्चन और इजी हो गया. All you have to now tell is कि whether assertion है या नहीं है. चलेगा? That's the only thing you take care of. Rest everything is okay.